Hello and welcome back to my channel, and this time we're going to make this beautiful Fanoos. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the Ramadan lantern. You see, when I shake it, there's lights. So shake it, there's light again. See, turn the lights off and you will see. We're going to make this beautiful lanterns. See, so beautiful. I like it so much. My son like it too. See, so let's begin. Okay, in this video we're going to be needing this canvas. As you can see here, we will fold it like this. So you should have 17 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 holes. You'll have 26 holes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, like that. We are going to fold it like this. See, you count the 3 here. 3, and the other side also 3. You want to make it like this, and then you are going to sew it like that. And of course, you will be needing to make, you will need this also. I'll teach you later on. And you will need this curtain loops. Then we're going to make it like this later on. Of course, stitch markers. 2.5 mm size. A scissor. This is the light. This is the one, see? You need this one. You can buy this one to any craft stores. Oh, there, it's still working. See? And then this is the hat. Going to make the hat later on. And then I will teach you how to make this star. Of course, I made the star already. And moon, and the crescent. Moon like this. I will teach you later on. So, of course, you will be needing this one to weave it, and the pliers. If you need the pliers like this, you will be needing pliers also. Okay, so let's begin.